Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove green screen or blue screen from your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to remove this green part of the video to insert another video here. So go to cutout, select chroma key, select color picker, and select the green bit and adjust the strength here. You can also add in some shadows to even that out, but maybe add in your video first underneath that so you can see the green screen. I'm just gonna add like this maybe. And if you want to remove the blue screen, it's basically like the same thing. Let me just also make this video a bit smaller. So I have this blue screen video. It's kind of the same thing. Go to cutout, go to chroma key and select the blue part and just adjust the strength and add in some shadows. And that is pretty much it. As you can see, it removed kind of like the blue like bit. You can also like go to adjustments and make it blend with the video a little bit more, like so. And even maybe like blur this out a little bit so it blends in. But not like by a lot, just like by a little bit. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!